Hey guys, this is John at Jeepster Man. Today we're going to do a video on how to put the wiper arm and wiper blade together. You think it's self-explanatory, but there's some things about it that are confusing, so people ask us how to put this together. So I'm just going to show a video real easily. A lot of people think that this wiper arm is supposed to insert in the middle of this blade. It does not. All right, so it actually goes in from the side right here. So you just kind of tilt it and then just slide it in. It pops in. All right, so that's it. It's installed. People, they email us, call us, they say this doesn't fit in there. Well, it clearly doesn't, because it's not supposed to go in there. It goes in from here. So, and then to get that out, if you pull this, it just comes right out. So it's really quite simple. This is just a simple thing we get asked about that we just wanted to show. So this is the wiper arm. You're going to see these on the Willys Jeepster, Willys Station Wagon, Willys Pickup Truck, Jeepster Commando, CJs, the later CJs. So if you've got that question, you can't figure it out, that's how you do it. If you got other questions, it's sales@thejeepsterman.com is our email. You can call 314-798-6462. Thanks for watching.